question, if a is equal to 5 comma 6 and b is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 and c is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7, show that a cross a is equal to b cross b intersection c cross c. So first write what the values of a, b and c. So a value is set of 5 comma 6 and b value is set of 4 5 6 and c value is a set of 5 comma 6 comma 7. So look at the statement. You need to find the value of a cross a, b cross b and c cross c first. So first we will find a cross a. So write the value of a cross again a value. So multiply and write the ordered pairs. We'll get 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So mark it as equation number 1. So after finding the value of a cross a, find the value of b cross b. 4 5 6 cross, then again write the b value. So take the first element, that is 4. So 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. So next will be 5, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. Next is 6, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So next we will find c cross c. So c cross c is equal to, write the value of c. So take the first element 5. So we'll get 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, then 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6 and then 7 comma 7. So from the statement we need to find b cross b intersection c cross c, that is the common ordered pairs between these two. So now we will check the common ordered pairs between b cross b and c cross c. So take b cross b, 4 comma 4, check whether you have 4 comma 4 in c cross c. We don't have. Next is 4 comma 5, we don't have. 4 comma 6, not there. 5 comma 4, not there. 5 comma 5, we have 5 comma 5. Next is 5 comma 6, it's there. 6 comma 4, not there. 6 comma 5, we have 6 comma 5. Next is 6 comma 6, we have 6 comma 6. So these are the 4 ordered pairs that is common between b cross b and c cross c. So in the next step, write b cross b intersection c cross c and then write these 4 ordered pairs. So after writing this ordered pairs, mark this equation as 2. So now compare your equation 1 and 2 and check whether you have 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So this is our equation 1. We have the same ordered pairs, that is 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6. So we can say a cross a is equal to b cross b intersection c cross c. So from equation 1 and 2 we get a cross a is equal to b cross b intersection c cross c, hence showed. Fifth question, given a is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 and b is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 5 and c is equal to set of 3 comma 4 and d is equal to set of 1 comma 3 comma 5. Check if a intersection c cross b intersection d is equal to a cross b intersection c cross d. So first find the value of a intersection c and b intersection d and then write in ordered base and mark it as equation 1 and then find what is A cross B and then C cross D, and then find what is common in between them, that is intersection, and then mark that particular equation as number 2. Then compare equation 1 and 2 and check whether both are equal or not. So from LHS, first we need to find A intersection C. Compare the elements of A and C and find out what is common between them. 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4. So the common element is 3. Next we need to find B intersection D. Compare B and D and find what is common between these two. So the common elements are 3 and 5. So next, write these two in ordered pairs. So when you write in ordered pairs, we'll get 3, 3 and 3, 5. So now we have solved our LHS. Mark this equation as 1. So from RHS, first we need to find A cross B. Write A value cross B value, then write the ordered pairs. We'll get 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3, then 3, 5. So after finding A cross B, find C cross D. So C value is set of 3, 4 and D value is set of 1, 3, 5. So when you write in ordered pairs, we'll get 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 3, then 4, 5. So next you need to find the intersection between these two, that is A cross B and C cross D. So check what is common between these two. So 1, 2, no it's not there. 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, don't have 3, 3, yes it is there in both. Then 3, 5. So that's all. So the intersection between these two is 3, 3 and 3, 5. So A cross B intersection C cross D is nothing but 3, 3 and 3, 5, and mark it as equation 2. So now compare your equation 2 with 1, and both equation 1 and 2 are equal, that is you got set of 3, 3 and 3, 5. So the given statement is true. So from equation 1 and 2 we get A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. So therefore it is true.